can the idea to open shawarma and nasi Arab business come to thought?
Second question is, at what year did the business start?
The third question is, how many employers and workers?
For the fourth question is, what kind of ingredient are used in shawarma and Arabic rice?
And the last question is, what is the last term plan for the business?
Today we will talk about a restaurant named Shawarma Al-Falah. Yesterday we have interviewed with Siti Nazrina, the owner of the restaurant. According to Nazrina, the restaurant has been open since 2018. Most of popular items in the restaurant that are served in Shawarma Al-Falah are Arabic rice and a variety of shawarma. In Shawarma Al-Falah, it consists of 2 chefs, which is a direct labor. And for Shawarma Al-Falah, it's only open 4 days a week.
So next, we'll talk about the job cost card about chicken shawarma. The first one, we'll talk about the direct cost, which involve the direct material. The first material is tortilla wrap, which costs RM1.58 for one product. Second, we will talk about chicken breast, which costs RM3.25. And the third one is allspice powder, which costs 48 cents for one product. The second thing is direct labor. This business consists of 2 direct labor, which is the chef, the shawarma maker, and the which of them is RM8 because 4 per 1 pieces, and they have 2 chefs. Total cost for the direct cost is RM13.31. Next, we will talk about the manufacturing production overhead. The first one is indirect material, green local lettuce, which costs 16 cents, baby tomato 32 cents, mayonnaise 20 cents, garlic 20 cents, rice sugar 19 cents, iodine salt 12 cents, fries, which costs 34 cents for one product, chili sauce 20 cents. Next, indirect expense is utilities, which cost 80 cents, transportation 50 cents, and the total of manufacturing overhead is RM3.03. Manufacturing production overhead. The first one is paper wrap, which costs 24 cents for one product, sticker for 30 cents, and the total non-manufacturing production overhead is 54 cents. The total cost, which include all the non-manufacturing, manufacturing overhead, and total and prime cost is RM16.88. The profit is 5%, which conclude that the profit is 84 cents, and the selling price is RM17.72.
So we're going to talk about nasi Arab ingredient. First, for the direct materials, beras basmati that costs only RM1.47. Next, they use whole chicken divided by 4 that costs only RM2.23. For their direct laborers, chef, self-employed, they have 2 chefs that cost only RM10. For their prime cost, it only costs for RM13.70. As for indirect material, they use rice sugar that costs only 40 cents and iodine salt that only costs 63 cents. For artificial coloring food that costs only RM1.71, zaitun oil for 83 cents, raisins for only 22 cents, and for their secret herbs that cost only RM2.50. For their indirect expenses, this business run utilities for RM1 and transportation for RM1 too. As for their total production overhead cost, it costs only RM8.03. For their non-manufacturing overhead, they use compartment lunch box that costs only 65 cents and their sticker that costs only 30 cents. For their total non-manufacturing overhead, it costs only 95 cents. So for their total cost, it costs only RM22.68. For their profit, they use 30% markup, it costs only RM6.88. So for their selling price, it costs only RM29.50. This task has helped me to learn more about how to run a business correctly and how to figure out the prime cost, the selling price, the total manufacturing overhead and non-manufacturing overhead.
My individual reflection is this project has enhanced our group's comprehension of business operations, specifically in terms of cost management. This project also aids us in efficient time management and workable timetable.
Okay, for my individual reflection, understand how the business operates, such as handling costs. We can learn how business run financial planning and how they determine their profit on the products.
My personal reflection is understanding of how the company runs. Next, to ensuring accuracy in calculation and the financial report.
The purpose of our study has achieved a goal as we understand the relation between cost control, including direct material and indirect.
Next is the conclusion. Job cost entails direct and indirect costs for specific tasks. Next, job order costing is crucial for expense monitoring in producing individual product units. Next, it helps calculate the overall cost of the product. Next, the importance of job costs. Cost accuracy and precision improves expense allocation and understanding of actual cost. Next, profitability analysis, which is the purpose is to evaluate profitability of each project and directly aids in decision making. Lastly, billing and pricing strategies, which is enable precise customer invoicing and future pricing considerations.
Suggestion from our perspective, we found that this business has a slight flaw, such as the owner can hire more workers to speed up in the making process of the product, which is shawarma and nasi Arab. Due to increasing orders from food delivery apps such as Grab, the owner should consider customer demand and availability when the product manufacturing process is increased. Therefore, it will ensure that the owner can achieve one of their goals, which is opening a food truck due to increased revenue and increased labour productivity. Moreover, the owner can buy a vertical boiler machine that is commonly used in shawarma shop or business, which can improve the quality of the meat of the chicken or beef.